Alright, so here we are doing acceleration equation 2, calculating time. Now that equation looks something like this. Delta x is equal to your average kind of velocity up here, so it's pretty much your starting, your final velocity and your starting velocity. It doesn't matter which one you do first because you're just kind of adding them together and dividing by 2, and then all of that will just be times by how much time it took. By the way, I don't know if you guys noticed, this is a lot clearer video. I think I found this new recording software, and it's actually free. The other one I paid for and was all blurry. I just couldn't take it anymore. So hope you're enjoying this clearer view. Let me know what you guys think, by the way. If you guys think the videos are too fast, too slow, they're not clear, too blurry, no sound. Somebody already told me one didn't have sound, so I had to redo it, and I appreciate that. So anything like that, let me know, okay? Because, you know, I'm not perfect. I'm just human. Oh, this one doesn't have a webcam on it. I haven't figured it out yet, but maybe it doesn't have one. So you don't see a picture of me. So you're going to miss out on that. So let's go ahead and solve this. A car accelerates from 10 meters per second to 30 meters per second, and it travels 75 meters while doing so. Okay, how long did it take? So let's write that all down. A car accelerates from this speed to this speed. And those are speeds. Notice there's not a second per squared. These are just meters per second, so those are definitely speeds. So we have a starting speed of 10 meters per second and a final speed of 30 meters per second. Those are our velocities. And it travels 75 meters, so that's our change in position. 75 meters. And then it says, how long did it take? So that's definitely looking for a time. Okay, so that's our question mark. So let's go ahead and plug that all in. Let's start with the delta x on the side. That's going to be 75. And then we got our two speeds, 10 plus 30. And we'll divide those by 2. And then we'll times it by the time. Oh yeah, we don't know the time. There we go. That's a t. So we'll end up solving for that t. Let's just do all this math in the parentheses first. You're supposed to do that anyway, right? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Is the order of operations, parentheses, exponents. Please excuse my multiply, dear, divide, Aunt Sally, add, subtract. That's the order. Alright, so that's 40 on top, divided by 2, and the t is there, and the 75 is still there. And then we got that, what's that end up being? 20 times t is equal to 75. And the math is looking pretty. Let's divide by 20 on this side, divide by 20 on this side, and you guys know that we'll get rid of the 20 there, and we'll just have a t on the one side. And then 75 divided by 20 is 3 point something, I think. Let's see, 75 divided by 20 is equal to 3.75. 3.75. So that's it. Let me write it the other way so it looks prettier. 3.75. And let's put the unit here because why not? We should be doing that. Time is equal to 3.75 seconds. Alright, so that's it, folks. And I tried a couple of practice problems for you. And hope you enjoyed this video.